A couple years ago, I became a new mom, and it changed my whole perspective on life and really what I wanted for my future.
I'm a brand new mom. I had my baby in the middle of the semester, and I love the welding program.
So I've been here about 8 years. My first goal was to learn English, get my diploma, and then I do 2 years of college, which is the associate's degree.
As a personal trainer, I saw my clients stuck, and I realized I needed the tools to be able to help them.
I chose dental assisting as my career path. You are able to start your career before graduating.
I decided that Lamar State College Orange was the choice for me.
They go beyond hands-on massage, and they really focus on anatomy, physiology, and teaching you how the body actually works.
The dental world is very advanced, and being at LSCO, you get a lot of hands-on. It preps you for real life experiences.
The hands-on learning is very helpful in learning everything that you're going to need to know when you go out on a job site. You're working on a lot of the same equipment.
Whatever you learn in school, you put your hands on in the field.
But I'm also attending weekly lab sessions where I get to interact with other students.
My instructors have been some of the most amazing people. They've helped us with getting ready for interviews, helped us getting ready for tests.
Hands-on training outside of the classroom really gave me the confidence I needed to start my career.
I had literally never touched a power tool in my life before I took this program, and I love it.
Back then, I was a shy guy, but with this program, it makes you gain more confidence.
My instructors have been so excited about the whole program, and everybody's just so positive here.
It's important for me to be a mom, to be a wife, and to be at home. But it's also important for me to be just Bailey.
A lot of times when people come in the office, they may think they're not good enough to smile, but once they leave your office off of the work that you've provided and helped with, they're able to smile.
Getting to help people one-on-one is such a special opportunity to watch them walk in the room full of tension. And then as they leave, they've just melted it all away is everything to me.
I feel like I've learned enough in this program to go for any job that I want in welding and use it however I need to after I complete it.
Being a student here at LSCO has really made my future become bright orange. Pursuing a career here in court reporting is really going to open up some new doors for my family.
In a year's time, I've gained the knowledge and skill needed to build a lasting career here at home.
I believe this is the place for me, and I honestly feel everything that I'm doing here will pay off for myself and my children.
I signed with Total. I went and did my interview, and a week after that, I got a phone call saying that I was hired.
With the foundation I gotten over here at LSCO, I can go anywhere, and I would definitely recommend it.